The WIP Run Chart illustrates your daily work in progress over time. Work in progress, or WIP, is the amount of work that has been started but not finished, and a run chart is a line graph that shows the changes in a data series over time. Each dot represents the amount of work in progress for a specific day. The position of each dot conveys two key pieces of information: the date on the horizontal axis and the number of items in progress for that date on the vertical axis. Hovering over any dot reveals the date and the daily number of work items in progress. When you select a dot, you can view the specific items included in that data point. By default, the WIP calculation reflects the cumulative count of items across all active workflow stages. The workflow stage controls allow you to focus on specific sections of your workflow if you wish to review micro workflows. Additionally, the date control explores different date ranges, and the item filter examines particular attributes to help you further customize your analysis. The WIP trend feature lets you observe the moving average across your dataset. You also have the option to adjust the interval. To toggle the moving average on or off, simply select the moving average text located below the chart. In general, a higher WIP indicates that work takes longer to complete. Thus, the WIP Run Chart serves as a valuable tool for addressing slow delivery by enabling you to monitor and manage your WIP levels effectively. It should also be used in tandem with the Throughput Run Chart and the Cycle Time Scatter Plot to recognize any overarching trends, identify causes, and facilitate discussion on work, as the more items in progress usually means lower throughput and higher cycle times. We hope that this tour of the WIP Run Chart helped with your actionable Agile journey. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by email at support@55degrees.se.